in the background.
Excited.
Ready, and go on, and action.
Hi guys, it's Jo here from the Eyelash Emporium. I'm just going to talk to you today about the spring lash shed. You may find that a lot of clients are coming back into the salon with not a lot of lashes left. This is not due to anything that you've done, anything to do with the client. It's due to the fact that our lashes tend to shred, is the word, every spring. You may find that a lot of your clients have loads of baby lashes, and I'm looking now on my client Lizzie today, and she has got lots of little baby lashes within this set. So to kind of counteract the fact that she still wants her lashes done, I've gone a little bit finer on my thickness. I'm using a 0.12, and this will it will give her the length that she desires, but it won't give her the thickness as much. It tends to last around 6 weeks, so you will find that clients do come back with a little bit less lashes again. Then you can fill them back and start using the thicknesses that we normally would use within our sets with them. So don't panic, nothing that you've done, completely normal. It's a bit like when an animal sheds its kind of fur, ready for the winter, ready for the spring. Everything's going to be a little bit lighter. I hope this helps, and happy Easter. Love from the Eyelash Emporium.
Great.